Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you on how to determine whether a triangle is a right-angled triangle. I will use one example to demonstrate and to explain to you to determine whether a triangle is a right-angled triangle. Here we go. Given that A, B, and C are three vertices of a triangle, determine whether ABC is a right-angled triangle or not. Alright, in order to determine whether ABC is a right-angled triangle or not, it needs to satisfy Pythagoras Theorem. I hope you still remember Pythagoras Theorem. If ABC is a right-angled triangle, then it will satisfy Pythagoras Theorem such that the longest side is equal to the square root of the sum of squares of the other two sides. So we are going to see the relationship among the sides of a triangle. Okay, therefore, first of all, we need to get the length of each side of the triangle. Okay, we need to get the length of each side, which are AB, BC, and AC. Do you still remember how to get the length of AB? If you are given 2 points, how do you get the length? We need to use the formula of the distance, right? Do you still remember this one? Okay, so if you remember the formula, it is very easy for you to get the distance. Okay, in order to help you to make it faster, I label vertex A as x1, y1, vertex B x2, y2, and vertex C x3, y3. So we will start with side AB. Okay, AB is equal to 4 minus 5, put it in a bracket, square. Okay, according to the formula. Just replace everything you have here. Okay, replace it, write it correctly, and then get the answer from the calculator. Okay, so you will get square root 50 units as the length of AB. Next, we are going to find the length of side BC or CB. BC or CB, they are actually the same. Okay, it means the distance between point B and C. Okay, so now CB or BC, we are looking at these 2 points. Okay, so we will go with the x coordinate first. 5 minus 1, put it in a bracket, square, plus 6 minus 3, put in a bracket, and then square. So as a result, you will get 5 units as the length of CB. Okay, next we are going to find side AC. Okay, the length of AC is equal to 4 minus 1 in a bracket square plus negative 1 minus 3 in a bracket square. And you will get 5 units as the final answer. Okay, alright, now after you get the length of each side, how are you going to determine whether it is a right-angled triangle or not? Okay, so you need to prove whether this one is equal to the longest side. Okay, so now I need to get the square root of sum of square of the other two sides. How do I know which other two sides does it refer to? Okay, first of all, you need to determine among these 3 sides, which side is the longest. Okay, so you know already AC and BC, very obvious, the answer is 5 units. How about square root 50? Do you know the exact value of square root 50? Actually, you can use calculator to get the answer, right? So after you get the answer from the calculator, AB is actually equals to 7.07 units, which is greater than 5, which is greater than the other 2 sides here. That means we can conclude that side AB is actually the longest side. Okay? AB is the longest side. Now, these are the sides that are not the longest. So I need to get the sum of the square of these two sides and then square it. Okay, so let us do the calculation. 5 square plus 5 square and then square it. Okay, so you will get square root 50 units. As you can see here, square root 50 units is actually equals to the length of AB. And what are we mentioned just now? AB is actually the longest side, right? So you already proved that the square root of sum of square of the other two sides are actually equals to the longest side, which is AB. Therefore, you can make the conclusion by saying that ABC is a right-angled triangle. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you again.